Good day mga boss, madam. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa showroom ngayon. At pakita ko lang tong Honda BR-V VCVT 2025. Zero down payment, valid for 15% bank approval. So tara guys, check natin to. Bago yan, bigyan natin ng montage.
Yan, good day mga boss, madam. So available itong Honda BR-V natin na V variant in meteoroid gray color. Yan. So second variant siya ng top of the line. So applicable rin siya for zero down payment, valid for 15% bank approval. So message lang ako guys, message ko kayo. So we're inside of a BR-V V variant. Ayan. So, start natin guys. So, yung kanyang entry logo. And then, ito yung dashboard niya. Naka 7-inch infotainment system siya. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatible. And then, yung digital air condition control. Nandito rin. So, naka CVT transmission. And then, yung kanyang power outlets. Ayan guys. Then, push button. Then, may tweeters din siya dito, dalawa. Ayan guys. And equip rin siya ng 4 airbags. So, front airbag. Ayan, dalawa. And then, side airbags nandito sa gilid. Ayan. So, naka full leather yung kanyang seats. And then, naka black ceiling siya. Ayan. And, leather din yung kanyang steering wheel. So here in the exterior naman, naka full LED headlight siya. And then LED rin yung kanyang daytime running light. And yung kanyang fog light, naka LED rin. And then ito yung front bumper niya na front lip chin and honeycomb design sa baba. And then ito yung front grille niya na chrome. Ayan guys. Ayan, naka keyless entry and pwede nyo siyang remote start with this. So lock and unlock. So, pwede siyang unlock through this and this. So, sa second row naman, ito yung entrance ng second row. One fold lang siya. And this. And yung entrance ng third row. So, pwede siya kahit mga 8-seater, 7 to 8-seater. Pwede siya. And yung controls ng kanyang aircon nandito rin guys. And so, as you can see here, at the rear, so V variant, iVTEC, and BR-V na emblem. So may reverse camera rin siya, nandyan. And yung kanyang rear diffuser or rear bumper. Ayan guys. Then may roof rail na rin siya. Intact na rin siya dyan. Ayan. So abang na siya for the roof rack na pwede nyo install. Guys, and with parking sensors na rin siya na 4i. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito tayo sa rear side niya. So, may ito yung cover siya. So, ito yung separator dyan, or divider ng third row. And dito naman is napo-fold siya para mas ma-maximize mo yung space or may paglalagay na pa. Ayan guys. So, napaka-spacious niya. And naka 17-inch two-tone alloy wheels na rin siya. So, naka size of 215 by 55 yung kanyang tire size. And then, naka ABS and naka EBD. Front disc na rin siya, no? And naka rear siya na drum brake pa. Ayan guys. And yung kanyang rear or yung side garnish niya. Ayan guys.
So, kung nakaabot ka dito guys, bibigyan kita ng maraming freebies. Bukod sa 0 down payment, free 1-year PMS, free full tank, at marami pang free bis ang naghihintay sa'yo. Palambing naman guys. Please follow, like, and share mga boss madam. And comment nyo na rin kung anong gusto nyong i-content. Thank you for watching.